Reshape into a series and vector data frame. Transform the original data frame into a single column format. How? First, flatten the data frame into a series using the stack method, which combines all column values into a single series while retaining their inner by information. Then, reset the index to create a clean series and convert the series back into a data frame with a single column. Pros. Simplifies the data frame into a single column, useful for cases where you need a list of all values. Reshape into a 2x3 data frame. Reformat the data frame into a specific shape. How? Flatten the data frame into a one-dimensional array using values. Flatten, then reshape this array into a 2x3 data frame using reshape. This operation changes the data frame's shape while retaining all its original values. Pros. Allows for reorganization of the data into a different dimensional format, useful for specific data analysis or visualization needs. Pivoting. Rearrange the data frame to transform the data layout. How? Add an index column to the data frame and then use pivot to reshape it. In the pivot operation, one column is used as the new index, another column's values become the new columns, and the remaining column provides the data values. Pros. Useful for reorganizing data to view different dimensions or categories in a more structured format. Melt and pivot. First, melt the data frame to turn columns into rows, then pivot it to reorient the data. How? Melt. Convert the data frame from a wide format to a long format by turning columns into rows, making it easier to analyze data with variable names as row labels. Pivot. After melting, reshape the data frame back into a wide format with a new arrangement of rows and columns based on the melted data. Pros. Provides a flexible way to transform and reorganize data, especially useful for complex data manipulation.